This is your test for 10 more, 10 less. Please put your name at the top and also write the date down. Remember, you can always pause this video if you want to write down your answers, or you can rewind and re-watch to listen to the directions again. The first section, we're adding 10 with a given equation. So I've given you 4 equations that are already written out for you. What you need to do is add and then write the answer underneath the line here in the spaces. Remember, you can pause as you're doing that, so you're ready for the next section. The next section says write what number would be 10 more. So you have 4 numbers here. You're going to look at each number and then tell me, using just your brain, how much 10 more would be. Write the answer on the line next to the number. So here's 34. Write what 10 more is. 88. Write what 10 more is. 52. Write what 10 more is. And 70. Write what 10 more is. After that, we're going to do write what number would be 10 less. So the same thing, we have 4 numbers. We're going to look at the number, and then using just our brain, we're going to see what number would be 10 less. So we have 83, write what number would be 10 less. 66, write what number would be 10 less. 24, write what number would be 10 less. And 47, write what number would be 10 less. You can pause as you're doing that. The bottom section, the first question says, what number would be 100 less? Your number is 639. Using just your brain and looking at your place value, write what number would be 100 less than 639. The next question says, what number would be 10 more? Looking at your number, using just your brain, find your place value and tell me what number would be 10 more than 472, and write it here on the line. The next question says, what number would be 10 less? Your number is 590. Think about what number would be 10 less than 590, and write it here on the line. And then your last question says, what number would be 100 more? Your number is 216. Use just your brain, find your place value, and tell me what 100 more than 216 is, and write it on the line. When you're all done, please turn it in.